are so many stories in the Bible for which you might need a scroll. Jeremiah and his faithful scribe Baruch, who wrote God's words of warning to King Jehoiakim, who then systematically cut it into pieces and burned it. The seven seals in Revelation. King Josiah finding long-lost scrolls in the neglected temple. The list really could go on and on. So having a scroll at the ready is really a good idea for Bible teachers. I have found that by holding an impressive-looking scroll, you have captured your students' attention for the important story that it will unveil. The easiest method I have found is to use curtain rods. Scour garage sales and thrift stores. It really isn't necessary to purchase these new. The great thing about curtain rods is that they can be slid into a length of your choosing, taping them together at just the right spot. Or, if they're too long, you can cut them down to a desired width. The finials add an austere look and really are what make these scrolls look so interesting. You'll want to choose your paper before you commit to a rod length. You can purchase lifelike parchment scroll paper or brown craft paper in rolls of 100 feet or longer. If you want your scroll to look pristine year after year with no rips, consider purchasing non-tear scroll paper. You can purchase it at Christian Church Supply and VBS sites. This scroll is easily 20 years old and it looks brand new, so save yourself some frustration and invest a little money into this paper. You will not be disappointed. Often we see hear ye announcements made in movies, and in those cases, the scrolls are usually held like this. But if you want to be realistic, Bible scrolls were read from right to left and rolled with the left hand, just as we would turn pages in a book. If you only have one rod, glue or tape a dowel at the other end on which to roll the paper as you're reading it. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.